Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty in all its forms and help you make choices that truly suit your skin and style. Today, we're looking at the Too Faced Born This Way Natural Finish Longwear Liquid Foundation in the shade 13 Natural Beige. It promises medium to full coverage with a natural, hydrating, oil-free formula designed for all skin types. This foundation comes in a liquid form, aiming to blend seamlessly while providing a skin-like finish. Its hydrating properties suggest it won't cling to dry patches, while the oil-free aspect helps maintain a shine-free look throughout the day. The brand emphasizes a natural appearance, so you should expect coverage that enhances rather than masks your skin. When I incorporated this into my routine, the application was smooth and effortless. Using a brush or beauty sponge, it spread evenly and didn't settle into fine lines or pores, which is always a challenge for liquid foundations. The coverage is indeed buildable, from a lighter, natural finish to a fuller coverage without feeling heavy. Throughout the day, it maintained hydration without becoming oily, and the natural finish stayed intact for several hours, even in warmer conditions. On the plus side, this foundation offers excellent blendability, a comfortable hydrating formula, and a skin-like finish that works for a variety of skin tones. Packaging is sleek and user-friendly, with a pump that controls the amount dispensed. On the downside, the shade range, while decent, may require careful selection to find your perfect match. Also, for extremely oily skin types, touch-ups with powder might be necessary to maintain a matte look. In terms of value, this foundation sits in the mid to high price range. Considering its performance, hydrating yet oil-free formula, and long-lasting wear, it offers solid value for those seeking a natural finish foundation with reliable coverage. If you're comparing options, it stands out against other mid-range liquid foundations like NARS Natural Radiant Longwear or Urban Decay Stay Naked for its balance of hydration and skin-like finish. The build quality of the packaging is sturdy and functional, and the product itself maintains its consistency over time without separating or oxidizing noticeably. While I haven't needed to contact customer support, Too Faced generally has a good reputation for addressing inquiries and ensuring customer satisfaction. If you're looking for a slightly more budget-friendly alternative, Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth or L'Oreal True Match offer similar natural finishes, though they may lack some of the longwear or hydrating benefits of Born This Way. Overall, Too Faced Born This Way excels at delivering a natural, skin-like finish with medium to full coverage that is buildable and comfortable to wear. It's particularly well-suited for those who want hydration without excess shine and a finish that truly mimics healthy skin. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've used this foundation, drop a comment below with your thoughts. The link to purchase the product is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.